Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this brand new 3D printed live catch mousetrap. I bought this trap on Etsy and they call it the Mouse Motel. Overall, it's a very simple mousetrap. It has a top that slides out. We'll pull up the stopper. As you can see, there's a teeter-totter right here, and on the end is a post that holds up the door. To set it, you push up the door, it rests on the post. As the mouse goes in there, it'll try to get the bait in the back. There's a tray. When it steps on it, the door closes and you got it. And on the top here, it has a locking mechanism with this white lever, so there's no way the mouse can pull it up and escape. Okay, mouse, it's time to check into the motel. It's very sensitive and it works well. The real question is, can the mouse chew on the edges and get its way out? So we'll have to see if that happens with the Mouse Motel. Well, last night we did catch a mouse in this 3D printed humane live catch trap. It did pull that locking mechanism inside, but it didn't open the door and it's still moving around in there. So overall, it's a very good design that works well. Now what we caught is a native species of mouse called a deer mouse. Because it's part of the natural ecosystem and because we caught it in a live catch trap, I'm going to take it far out in the wild and set it free. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider clicking that button. I've posted over 1,000 videos on YouTube, and currently I'm posting new videos every Monday. So if you want to see the best videos on how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned. There it goes.